If the oven in your oven-microwave combo won't turn on, here are the 5 most probable causes. To fully operate, most electric ovens require 240 volts of alternating current running through 2 legs of voltage, each carrying 120 volts. If one leg of voltage is shut off by a tripped breaker or blown fuse, the oven won't turn on. If you suspect the electrical outlet is not providing sufficient voltage, you can test the outlet using a voltage meter set to volts AC. Be aware that readings can vary between 210 and 240 volts. A loose or burnt wire connection could also be responsible for the oven not working. The bake or broil power supply wires will commonly burn out near the heat source and will appear visibly damaged. On some models, a thermal fuse will blow if the oven gets too hot, shutting off power to the oven. You can use a multimeter to test the thermal fuse for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the fuse. If the fuse tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. Depending on your model, the oven control may be switch-based with a thermostat and sensing bulb assembly, or an electronic control board that works with an oven sensor. The thermostat or sensor monitors the oven temperature. When the selected temperature is reached, the oven control shuts off the voltage to the element. This cycle repeats throughout the cooking process to maintain the proper temperature. If the thermostat or sensor is defective, the oven may not turn on at all. You can use a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance at room temperature. The meter should display approximately 1100 ohms of resistance. If not, the sensor should be replaced. If the sensor shows accurate resistance when tested, the oven control board itself could be malfunctioning. While the board cannot be easily tested, you can inspect it for signs of burning or a shorted-out component. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven-microwave combo.